Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn a dua that is in Hadith book Abu Dawood. Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he was to read this dua mostly. So we have to try in our daily life so that we can get the benefits of it. Allahumma a'inni ala zikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadatik. Allahumma a'inni ala zikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadatik. Allahumma, O Allah, a'inni, help me, assist me, ala zikrika, to remember you, wa shukrika, to thank you, wa husni ibadatik, and to worship you in a best way. Allahumma a'inni ala zikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadatik. O Allah, help me to remember you, to thank you, and to worship you in a best way. When we request Allah with this dua, inshallah, we will get tawfiq from Allah. So Allah will help us, assist us to thank Him when we get the benefits, blessings of Allah. When we will be thankful, Allah will give more rizq. When we do zikr of Allah, so Allah will give us tawfiq to do more zikr. So inshallah we will be in a better position to remember Allah. And when we request Allah for worship, husni ibadatik, so Allah will give us the best way how to pray salat, how to pray before Allah in a nice way. So when we will get the reward of it, inshallah, our dua will be accepted. So Allah will be happy and we will get the blessings and rizq in this life as much as we need. So we will have no any problem. Our problem will be solved, inshallah. We try our best. Allah will give us tawfiq to read it every day, inshallah.